Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, I have another battle between the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Today's video, I'm going to see how fast that I can charge the Galaxy Note 10 Plus against the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro has what they call warp charging. Here's the brick. Bam, if I can get to focus. Yes, I do have the one that came in the box. And for the Galaxy Note 10, I just have the 25 watt charger that came in the box. I do not have the 45 watt charger. And Samsung doesn't even have it available yet. When that comes, I might have to redo the test. But I want to see what you get out the box, which one charges faster. And we'll definitely do it. I probably will speed up this video because I don't think anybody wants to sit for an hour and a half. But we are going to go from 0 to 100% on each phone. The OnePlus 7 Pro has the 4,000 milliamp hour battery, while the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has the 4,300 milliamp hour battery. Again, both phones are dead. Like, you cannot turn them on, and it will turn themselves off. Watch. Just almost dropped the phone. You see the hands there? Yes, I played some football growing up. But I just want to show y'all that they won't start up. Or if they do, they will die right away. Hopefully. Maybe they will start up. Let's see how much they have. Alright, so it says 1%. This one is actually at 0. So it will die. As you can tell, they both die right there. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up really quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I do have my Moto G7 with the clock on it. I will speed up the video. I will not go ahead and cut any of the video out. So that way we can see the clock going. And that way y'all know I'm not switching anything out. I'm going to go ahead and plug the Note 10 in first. And I'm also going to go ahead and plug the OnePlus 7 Pro. And I will start the timer. I will come back around 15 minutes or maybe even 10 minutes just to see where we stand at. So I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, so we're almost at 15 minutes. So let's see how fast they are actually charging. I'm going to start with the Galaxy Note 10. So we're at 34%. And then with the OnePlus, it's at 34%. So they both go in about the same speed. So this one's at 35, that one's at 35. So the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a tie so far. I'm going to come back at 30 minutes. Until then, later. Okay, so we're almost at the 30-minute mark. Let's see which one has the better charge. The Note 10 is at 63% in a half an hour. That is pretty amazing. And the OnePlus 7 Pro is at 60%. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video and come back at 45 minutes just to see where we stand at. but that's actually pretty impressive with both phones. So I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so we are at the 45-minute mark. Let's see how what phone looks like what. The Note 10 Plus, 88% at 45 minutes. The OnePlus 7 Pro at 80%. Will the OnePlus 7 Pro catch up? I don't know. I'm kind of shocked by the results. I probably will come and check in about 10 minutes to see where we stand. So I'll be back. Okay, everyone, so we are almost at the 55-minute mark. I just want to see where the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is at. 95%. The OnePlus 7 Pro is at 88%. I'm just shocked. What y'all think about it so far? I'll probably come back at maybe an hour just to see where each phone is at. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so we are almost at the 1 hour mark. So let's go ahead and take a look. The Note 10 Plus is at 97%. The OnePlus 7 Pro is at 91%. So it's catching up a little bit. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is doing a trickle charge right now. So I'm going to check back in probably another 5 minutes or so, because right now it's at 98%, the Note 10 Plus. But let's see who takes the battle. All right, everyone. So we're almost at the 1 hour and 5 minute mark. Let's see where the Note 10 is. At 99%, what I'm going to do is turn it on because I want to see when it hits the 100%. And the OnePlus 7 Pro, not far behind, is at 93%. Again, I'm a little shocked that Samsung is winning, but that's actually pretty cool. Can you imagine when we get the 40-watt charging brick? That would actually be pretty impressive. It says I have 3 minutes until fully charge. So now it says it has 1 minute before it's fully charged. The OnePlus 7 Pro is at 93% still. And as you could tell, it's at 100%. So I'm going to give it about 106 for the Note 10. And the OnePlus 7 Pro is at 93%. So I'm going to let the OnePlus 7 Pro run this car, see exactly. All right, everyone. So at 1 hour and 15 minutes, the OnePlus 7 Pro is still going, and it's at 97%, while the Galaxy Note 10 Plus finished about 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna let it keep running. I think this is kind of shocking, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so we are at the 1 hour and 20 minute mark. The OnePlus 7 Pro is still charging. It was at 98% while I was checking it. 99%. I'm going to turn it on. Just like I did the Galaxy Note 10. Let's see if we can catch it when it hits 100%. Right now it's been about 14 minutes since the Note 10 was finished at 100%. So I'm still at 99%. Still at 99. Right there is at 100%. So, with that said, 1 hour and 21 minutes. Let's see that focus. 1 hour and 21 minutes later, the OnePlus 7 Pro was finished. As you can tell right there, if my camera would focus, that was 15 minutes slower than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I think that's a little shocking. I can't believe warp charging is not really that warp speed. Can you imagine once we get the 45 watt charger with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, what it will charge in? I can't wait to get it in to actually test it again. But if you were shocked by the results, let me know in the comments. If you actually like this video, give it a thumbs up. Haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both of these phones. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.